Kwedo Josiasa mabende siro lwedo gai mar Odm Raila Odinga okwedo mokalo kang mabende koro Josiasa moko koro kawo mar wuok e duond od bucha ODM ka gidhi e duond od buche mamoko manitiere bor riwruogno ero mar Azimio la Umoja. Josiasa go eko kotelnegi kod jakom mar ODM Migosi John Mbadi wacho ni teko mar duond od bura en mana ka jotelo mathoth ochung' kod duond od bura no ero. Onyiso jopiny obed motang' kod Josiasa mosiko loko duond od buche magichung' godo e kinde ka kinde. Ka wach makamaendi nosira kod ka jotelo mamoko moriwo kanyakla jaod bura ma Uriri Migosi Nyamita kanyakla ko seneta e kaunti ma Migori Migosi Ochilo Ayako. Migosi Nyamita okwayo Mbadi mondo obi ochiwo otiko machiel kachiel ka direct tickets ne jochung' mabende ni kod mbi motegno e kor gwenge e kinde go eko mag welo kata nominations.
We as a community are stronger today because we have stuck together as a community in the greatest party Milwongoni ODM. That is our strength. It's important to nurture your strength. It is important to come together so that collectively and individually you are a strong movement that is attractive to the nation.
Appeal to you as our party chairman that in as much you are also looking for your certificate, but I want to tell you that you are going to also leave a history as the chairman who was in office when we are electing our party leader to the office. We will forever be grateful to you because you would have led this party into government. And as we go and do the same across when you find a popular candidate, and let us face them at the main ballot. It is true our party does not have capacity to do what we call grassroots nominations in the scale that we've been doing it, because it's almost like we're doing two elections in one. This county, we have people who are in the party and people who are in the party without being in the party. There are people who have just come in the party to try their luck, but their heart is not with us. We want to build a strong party.
Wero samoro chacho hitwa jok moko manobiro gi kalausi kaparo ni Raila rumo donge Migori kama ne kalausi wuoke sani jogo chako tugore no dhie Jubilee nigi biro dwaro go gavana kone uru ni Mbadi odagi kendo ko papanu timo makosa no miyo jo kalausi omuno abiro lonyora duk Migori ka ma wuoth duk ng'eni once but twice. The Deputy President William Ruto has said, he has repeated it now twice, that Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and Raila Amolo Odinga have never slept hungry, that they don't know sufferings. I want to tell Ruto something. You are not the only one who came from a poor background. Many of us have come from a background you cannot even describe as poor. At least you could sell chicken. Some of us could not even sell sugarcane. But I want to remind him that this man you keep on referring to, Raila Amolo Odinga's dynasty, remember this man took 7 years in prison without even eating, drinking water for so many years. You are talking of missing lunch and supper. Him, he was missing. You have never been in a police cell, even for a single 1 hour. He has never been even in a police cell. That is William Ruto. Raila Odinga has been in detention, has been tortured, has been frustrated. His wife has been thrown out in the cold with children. He has suffered and he has seen it all. Please don't distort the history of this country. You can fool some people some of the time, but you cannot fool all people all the time. The people of Kenya know who has suffered in this country for the welfare, liberation of this country. And no one has suffered, no living human being in this country has suffered for the welfare and the benefit of the people of Kenya like Raila Amolo Odinga.